Like that? Good, yeah. Check it out.
Awesome. It's the cube bong.
Bong!
Oh, it's a cube bong.
Do you like drinking beer?
Oh, is this for beer? Wrong bong. Oh! Sponsored by Coors Light. What is it?
Open it.
Yeah,
Open it.
Put it together. Look at the instructions.
Wait. Don't rip it. We're going to return it after. Huh?
A nice, steady, streamy pour.
Look at that. Okay. Sorry, whoopsie.
Should we tilt it so it'll be easier to pour it?
Wow, any reason why you're shaking so much?
Uh-oh.
Okay, let me get it overflowed. Okay, now,
looks
now
good
cover
that
it.
way.
Now put it in and cover it up.
That's not part of the instructions.
It's not?
It's fill it, pump it, chug it.
Well, you pump it with the thing on, don't
Okay,
you?
now pump it.
Oh, it puts pressure in
now
the
it's-
thing.
now it's filling it
Now
up.
it's like filled with air.
Okay, now it's filled
I'm
with
gonna
air.
shove it down my throat.
You ready?
I'm
Okay.
ready. Born
Hold on, y'all gotta hold it up.
Oh,
So you're
wait, do we hold it like this?
No, yeah, no,
Upside down.
that part gotta be higher. Right, this bottom part here gotta
Not
be
right now,
higher.
though, right? Not right now.
Flip it upside down.
Come out.
Oh, it's working. It's filling up.
Okay. Pump it some more, Britt.
It won't pump.
Okay, now you gotta put it in your mouth and twist something to chug it.
This one's not even getting. There you go.
Okay. No, that's the way it's supposed to be.
This is upside down?
Okay,
Wait,
ready?
do we press it? What's
I
going
don't
on?
know. Push the button or something.
What'd you read the instructions?
Oh, here you go.
oh,
How'd you
okay,
do
ready?
that? How'd you
Push the blue thing down. Ready?
push the blue thing down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where did I put my mouth?
Down here.
Oh, okay.
Right?
That doesn't go to the blue thing?
Ready?
What are you doing? Oh my god.
Wait a minute. So that was wrong.
Blue thing in your mouth, but push the blue thing down. I don't know why I'm coming to the hole. Ready?
Oh my god. Hey, y'all don't have to chug the whole can. We just show. Okay, I know it. Okay. Hey, Brittany's cheating, man.
That was all me. Replay that.
Oh my god. Don't try this at home, kids, okay?
Don't try it. You're gonna get stitches.
You know how to do it?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And now we're opening this one with a lighter.
You need help? I'll do it for you.
Less.
Woo!
I made it easier for him. They cut to that. And 1, 2, 3, Kiki. Are you struggling? Are you shaking? Ooh.
Woo!
No, but it's fun. It's fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Oh my god,
I
I
think
still
the
feel
most
it.
difficult part was trying to figure it out. But yeah,
No, but it's cool.
once you get used to it, you got it down.
Like a frat party. It's a frat party gift. Hold on, put
I
space.
taste it.
Hold
There's
on.
no- Ah!